The DJI Action 4 has long been recognized as the best action camera on the market. However, the Insta360 Ace Pro intends to challenge its supremacy. The Ace Pro enters the ring as a powerful contender, boasting features like its 8K resolution, a flip screen, exceptional low-light performance, and an extended battery life. To discover which camera truly takes the crown, we conducted a thorough comparison of the Insta360 Ace Pro and the DJI Action 4. So, without further ado, let's get started. The Ace Pro's larger size and weight, attributed partly to its flip screen, may be considered a drawback. The Action 4, when mounted in its frame, matches the size and weight of the Ace Pro, while providing additional protection and vertical mounting capabilities. Waterproofing is another factor, with the Action 4 boasting an 18-meter depth without a frame, surpassing the Ace Pro's 10-meter capability. The Ace Pro introduces a foldable display, a substantial advantage, allowing for versatile viewing angles and convenient checking of higher frame rates. The Action 4, while lacking a flip screen, compensates with a frame that offers protection, vertical mounting capabilities, and a comparable size and weight when mounted. Both cameras feature magnetic mounts, but the Ace Pro mount is deemed more secure and fixed, minimizing the risk of camera shake. This stability could be crucial, especially in dynamic action scenarios. Commencing with image quality, both cameras share a 1.3-inch sensor with 48 megapixels. While sensor size isn't the sole determinant of image quality, it plays a crucial role, especially in low-light conditions. The Ace Pro holds an advantage with a slightly larger aperture and a groundbreaking 5-nanometer chip, promising superior image processing and potential AI-generated features. Collaborating with Leica adds further credibility to the Ace Pro's claim of exceptional image quality. As for the categories like colors, contrast, and exposure, both cameras produce aesthetically pleasing and contrasty images. The Action 4 tends towards a cooler color palette with a cinematic approach, while the Ace Pro offers more saturation and diverse color filters, allowing for a range of looks. In artificial lighting conditions, the Ace Pro outshines the Action 4, delivering more realistic colors. The Action 4 takes an early lead with a slightly wider default setting, and particularly excels in ultra-wide or action view. However, the Ace Pro introduces innovative features like free frame mode and clarity zoom, securing a win in this category. The Ace Pro's HDR mode, active up to 30 frames per second, skillfully avoids the unrealistic HDR look while effectively protecting highlights. Even with HDR turned off, the Ace Pro exhibits a better dynamic range, showcasing more detail in shadows and superior highlight protection. In terms of resolution, the Ace Pro displays more detail in 4K compared to the Action 4. Even with a similar sensor, both cameras excel in slow motion capabilities at 4K up to 120 frames per second, but struggle at 240 frames per second, requiring a reduction in resolution to 1080p. Low light performance becomes a significant battleground, and both cameras leverage their large sensors. The Ace Pro introduces pure video mode, efficiently reducing image noise and delivering clear shots in low light. While the Action 4 also features low light enhancement, the Ace Pro gains a slight edge with less noise, better color representation, and improved stabilization in challenging conditions. Stabilization is a critical aspect for action cameras, and the Action 4 slightly outperforms the Ace Pro in standard settings. However, the Ace Pro introduces a high setting and Rocksteady Plus, providing dynamic cropping for enhanced stabilization, particularly in challenging conditions. As for the battery life, the Ace Pro claims a narrow victory. However, it's essential to note that firmware updates may further improve battery performance for both cameras. In terms of recharging, both cameras exhibit quick battery replenishment, with a slight edge going to the Action 4. Overheating tests reveal a nuanced result. The Ace Pro outlasts the Action 4 by a narrow margin, running for 1 hour without overheating, but eventually depleting the battery. The Action 4, while not significantly behind, conveys a balanced performance. It's crucial to consider that overheating tests may not perfectly replicate real-world conditions, and improvements could be introduced through firmware updates. In the audio performance, both cameras sound similar, with nuances in bass and clarity. The Ace Pro exhibits a bit more bass, while the Action 4 delivers slightly clearer audio. When subjected to extreme conditions such as skiing, the Ace Pro demonstrates better resilience against intense airstreams. Overall, the audio performance is closely matched, resulting in a draw. The Ace Pro's fully functional display enhances controls, providing the convenience of adjusting settings and checking framing, especially when the camera is mounted in challenging positions. Additionally, the Ace Pro offers connectivity to Garmin or Apple Watch for data tracking. Adding another layer of functionality, the Ace Pro introduces various shooting modes, including free frame mode and Star Labs, showcasing its versatility. In the realm of automated edits, the Ace Pro's advanced AI features stand out. The camera uses AI to recognize and mark interesting subjects in video clips, streamlining the editing process. This feature, combined with the ability to transfer multiple clips from the camera to the phone in the background, enhances user convenience. The video concludes by emphasizing the Ace Pro's strengths, such as the useful flip screen, exceptional image quality, and a plethora of features. However, it acknowledges that the choice between Ace Pro and Action 4 ultimately depends on individual preferences and needs. If the advanced features, flip screen, and image quality of the Ace Pro align with user requirements, it emerges as a compelling choice. Conversely, for those who prioritize a smaller form factor, excellent performance, and the specific look offered by Action 4, it remains a solid alternative. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.